Hello students, welcome to the Version tutorial. Today we will study about folders and icons. So firstly we have to know that what is folder and icons. So folder is a container in which we save our files, or you can say it is a collection of files. It can be, or our file can be text file, image file, audio files or video files. We can create one or more folders and files within a single folder. Folder is also known as directory. Okay, so come to the icons. Icons are small pictures which represent a command, file or folder on the screen. With the help of these icons, we can recognize our items and we can quickly access various programs and files and folders. Icons are different types, like predefined icons or system icons, which are created by the system, and user defined icons, which are created by the user. And the shortcut icons, it provides an alternative way to open programs, documents and folders. Now you can see here I am going to explain you about these points one by one. Now firstly I will show you how to create a folder. Firstly, you have to right click on the blank area of your desktop, and you can see here there is a option new. So we will click on the new option or new button, and then we will choose folder. When we click on this folder icon, our folder will be created. So you can see this, there is a name like new folder. This is the default name of your folder, and if you want to change the name of your folder, so we can press backspace and write our name. So for example, we will save this folder demo, okay, and then write your name and then enter. So your folder is created. Now if you want to delete this folder, again you will right click on your folder which you have created and then choose delete option. So click on this delete button and our folder will be deleted. You know that our deleted files and folders will go to the recycle bin. So if you want to restore our folder, so what we will do, we should go to the recycle bin. How to open? Double click on the recycle bin icon and then you can see our folder is here. So when we right click on this folder, there are four options. The first one is restore. So when we click the restore option, our folder will go to the original location where we have created this folder. You can see here. Okay. Now come to the next point. If you want to change the name of your folder, then you can click again. You can right click on this on that folder and choose the name, rename, and then again change the name and then enter. Okay. You want to move this folder, you can drag this folder anywhere you want to place it. Okay. The next is to change the size of the icon or folder. Firstly, right click on the empty area of your desktop and then select view from the menu and select either large icon, medium icon or small icons. You can see the changes. Again, medium, it is a default size of your icons. Small. Okay. So now I will show you how to arrange or sort the icons. Right click on your desktop area and then select sort by the menu. If you want to arrange your icons by their name, you can click on the name. If you want to arrange your icons or folders by their size, it will look like this. You can see the changes, and if you want to type, then it will show here, and date modified, so it will change like this. The next is to change the image or picture of our icon. Firstly, right click on the folder and then click on the properties, and again the dialog box will be displayed, and click on the customize option and again click on the change icon. You can see here that there are lots of pictures or icons available in this list. You can choose like this and then click on OK and then click on apply button. You can see here, you can see the changes. Okay, and then click OK. So now I have a question for you all. Can we create two different folders with the same name? The first folder name should be in uppercase and the second folder name should be in lowercase. Is it possible? No, it's not possible. Let's see the implementation. Firstly, create a folder. Give the name student. Okay. Then create another folder with the same name but in uppercase. Uppercase means capital letters. You can see that it is not possible in Windows because Windows is case insensitive. Whether you write a name in uppercase and lowercase, it will treat it as one. But it is possible in Linux operating system because Linux is case sensitive. That's why they will be treated as different entities. Okay, thank you.